Right, folks. So we're going continuing with 7.4. I had to cut that off because the last two notes did not record. So I wanted to make sure that these are working. So working with where we're at. If three or more parallel lines intersect two transversals, they cut off the transversals proportionally. Same idea. So this is in proportion with this, and that's in proportion. So we set that up in a proportion that way there. So letting you read through these. You should read through these. And then let's apply that knowledge here. So we can go 26 over 13 equals x over 16 cross multiply. 26 times 16 equals 13x. 26 times 16 gives us 416. And again, I can just let you solve it on the next page here. Take a look and see, read through, and it says that x is 32. But again, you know, depending on, just double check to make sure that you're finding what you want. This example here, we go 24 over 8 equals 15 over x. 24x equals 8 times 15. The 8 times 15 gives us 120, so 24x equals 120. And when you divide, you output an answer of b, which is 5. All right, next slide, read through this. If three or more parallel lines cut off congruent segments on one transversal, so again, these symbols right here, these lines may represent congruent, then they cut off congruent segments on every transversal. So what you can conclude is now you can say the same thing on these segments. You can set those two equal to each other. So taking a look at what we have here, so you can see these lines represent that those are equal. They can solve and show you how they solve the x from there. But now that means that we can set these two equal to each other. So 9y minus 2 equals 6y plus 4. Subtract, you get 3y equals 6. Divide, you get y equals 2. Next slide here, same idea. So we start over here. So 4a minus 5 equals 3a plus 6. You subtract over, you get a equals 11. So I know that you already know that that's going to be the answer, but I want to show you the b one here because this fractions can be a little challenging. 3b equals 5 thirds b plus 2. So what I do here is I'm changing this from 3 over 1 to 9 over 3. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract over the 5 thirds b. So over here I still have 2. Over here we go 9 thirds minus 5 thirds, so it's 4 thirds b equals 2. Multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3 over 4. So we get b equals 3 over 2, just to show you how, and that's our final answer. Last slide, same concept. Try that one on your own. I'll get my key going right here, and that outputs both of the answers for you. Hopefully that helps you out with this. Great job, folks.